Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to see crude oil, that is MCX crude oil, and natural gas, that is also in MCX, and gold. We are going to see the levels for short term and also for the coming week intraday levels. The short term view, crude oil it is trading above our main buy zone that is already crossed the 4 hour. It is very strong, and now the market confirmed the rally towards 5,625 because the previously the sell level was 5,180, sorry, 184. This is the sell level, and the market hit our stop loss, that is 4 hour closing, and again the 4 hour started trading above. So it is a well confirmation for a bias, so they can go long. So minimum target they can expect 5,625, and the next target is 5,776. Until this, don't go short. If price reaches here and forming any reversal pattern in higher time frame, that is 4 hour or day candle, so any reversal patterns, even candlestick or any price action patterns, go short. So you can expect a fall towards 5,329 and 5,184. Right now it is in the middle, that is same like Nifty. We have seen, no, the same way the third point it is trading at. So any dip towards this 5,329 is a buy again. So you can go long for a minimum 5,625 and maximum 5,776. This is the proper sell area. So better wait there. And if any reversal pattern at 5,625 or 5,776, any level, if any is reversal pattern forming, go sell. That is a short term view. Now it doesn't clearly buy. It doesn't clearly buy. So you can expect only up move. So don't go short now. Even for intraday also, you look for a buying opportunity. If it is selling, then keep a small stop loss. I'll give you the levels and take the those trade. In case stop loss triggered, then come out from the trade and go reverse buy. That's it. So we'll see short term. This is 4 hour chart, and this is for a short term view. You can see here, and the short term, like the intraday or next 1 or 2 days level. So from 22nd, that was yesterday, and the previous day also, the market broken out and reached this sell level and started falling, and again touched sell level, and again it is falling. Again it is touched and it is falling. Keep trying to coming down, but since it is in buy in the short term, so buyers are keep pushing the price up. So if you see now, so it is very near to the stop loss, the short term stop loss. Now 5,513 is the stop loss. So in case 15 minutes candle closing above, or better wait for a 30 minutes, not 15 minutes, better wait for 30 minutes closing. So 30 minutes candle closing above, and after that price coming down to this level, go buy. Don't go aggressive buy, because it is approximately 30-35 points difference. So don't lose that 35 points in intraday. So better wait for this breakout, and if candles have started trading above, in case any dip towards this 5,476, go long with a stop loss of 5,439. So this is your stop loss. That stop loss also 30 minutes closing basis. Okay. So your minimum target 5538, 5588, that is 5,588, and the next target is 5,625. So this is a short term view for crude oil. So crude oil, be long, be in the long side, don't go short. So as per technique also, you keep this swing low as a stop loss, but GAN, as per GAN, 5,439 below 30 minutes candle closing, then it is a bearish. So if it is closed, then for the retracement, then go for short for this two target. So it is trading above, better like buying confirmation zone. So don't go short now. So I don't think so it will be short. So in case any gap down below this 5476, then go short. This I as a stop loss. Go short. This is the target. And in case market gap up, it started trading, then any dip towards this, go long for the target of 5588 and 5625. And we'll see natural gas. If you see natural gas, the short-term view, that is a 4-hour chart I'm taking it. So for a uh, short term in the sense, I'm telling, it is not a immediate like 1 week or 2 week. It may take 2-3 weeks also. So uh, always remember, if you want to take a positional trade in commodity, it is risk only, but you can take it. It is for a short term. If it is intraday level, then you can wait 1 or 2 days. That is the same day also you can take it and close, and the next day also if it comes again you take it. For a short term, you better take a positional entries. If you see the short term view in natural gas, as long as natural gas trading above 256, it is a positive. And one more thing, if breaks 264 and 4-hour candle closed and started trading above, wait for the retracement towards 256, then go long for 280 and 289. So this is the target for natural gas. And if you're looking for a selling opportunity, I don't suggest any selling opportunity now, since market looking bullish. So don't go short. So now wait for the confirmation. If candles closed above, then be ready for buying and it can move higher. Your stop loss must be below 48, that 4-hour candle closing. So this is short-term view. But if in case any gap down again on tomorrow below this 256, go short for the targets 232 and 225. The stop loss must be 264. That is 4-hour closing. Okay, remember these levels. So now it is in exact main zone. So I looking for a buy. So in case of gap up, or if candle started moving above and trading above this, then you can buy, or you can wait for the retracement buy, go long for this target. We'll see short term for intraday. See this for intraday level, market are consolidating at pivot point. As per our strategy, 30 minutes candle closed above this and started trading. So you can buy from here for the target of 262, or you can wait for the 256 level to activate. So if it is touching again 56, it is time to buy and keep this 254 as a stop loss and 30 minutes candle closing. Go long. Go long, because short term also it is looking bullish. So any fall towards 256, it is a buy, and any fall towards 258 also it is buy, and the stop loss is 254. Any 30 minutes candle close below and started trading below, then the stop out, please come out from the buying, and until you can go long. And even short term will view also it is buy only, so you can hold your position for the further up move. Minimum target for intraday 262 and 264. This is the minimum target for intraday levels. So this is natural gas level, and don't worry, these levels will be uploaded, posted in Telegram. The screenshot will be posted in Telegram.